Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Ewa-agoyin sauce. This sauce is commonly eaten with beans and sometimes combined with bread. This is a very popular street food in Lagos. Since the sauce preparation takes time, I'm going to just cook my beans alongside. So I'm going to pour my beans into this pot of water, add some onion, and let it cook while I focus on the sauce preparation. The key ingredients used in preparation of this sauce are onion and dried bell pepper. And for those that stay around me and are interested in where I got mine from, I bought mine from Globus, and you can actually check any supermarket around you. And there are two ways to go about using the dried pepper. You can actually soak it for some hours or overnight, or pour hot water over it. I'll be pouring hot water over mine and set aside for just 5 minutes. Once the time is up, I'm going to sieve, add it to the blender together with onion and a bit of chili pepper and blend. Ensure you do not overblend, and I would say this consistency is okay. Now we'll be moving on to the cooking phase, and everything here will be done on medium heat. First, we'll be frying the onion. You have to fry until it's brown, and you can perceive the Ewa-agoyin smell. And I would say this step should take you about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the onion is set, we'll be adding the pepper, and we are going to fry until the pepper changes from bright red to dark red. And this step takes at least 30 minutes. Ensure you stir continuously. And I'll be limiting my seasoning to just crayfish and salt. And now Ewa-agoyin sauce look good to go. I'm just going to put off the heat and check on the beans. You can mash your beans using potato masher or wooden spatula. You mash your beans to suit your preference. Remember, you can enjoy your Ewa-agoyin sauce and beans together with bread or fried plantain. And that is it on today's video. Do not forget to leave a comment below after trial, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. See you some other time.